One of the biggest opportunities that you have training at home without equipment and no access to a gym is a big secret that we're going to reveal in this video. It's got to do with neuroplasticity, with your ability to learn new things and removing yourself from the pressure of performing in a group environment. Stick around, check it out.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Complex movement patterns are an amazing way to develop your brain and your ability in the gym. They're one of the leading ways that we can achieve neuroplasticity, that we can mold our brain to strengthen it and learn new things. The problem is that in gyms and when you train in a group training environment, we have a lot of peer pressure, and a lot of people don't like stepping outside their comfort zone. We don't want to look silly, you know, we don't want to fail. We don't want to be seen as somebody that can't perform in a group environment, and that's really normal. It's hardwired into our brains to protect ourselves like that. Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we balance strength, flexibility and fitness in every workout so we can turn driven people into athletes. If you want to know how we do that, there's 3 ways that you can get connected with us in the description of this video. You can download one of our free blueprints, the strength blueprint, flexibility blueprint, nutrition blueprint. We even have an at-home workout blueprint. They're all free. Just click the link in the description down of this video. And if you want to grab one of our programs, a flexibility program, strength program, calisthenics, weightlifting, we've got a whole bunch of different standalone programs. There's a link in the description where you can look at our library. And if you're a high achiever and you want to get online coaching where you can learn our Unified Movement System, Monday to Saturday training as little as 2 days a week, as up to 6 days a week, balancing strength, flexibility and fitness into 1-hour workouts where you have follow-along workouts with me, so you just press play and join in with me. New program every 4 weeks and online coaching from us via weekly coaching calls. Then you can get a free 30-day trial plus a sweet deal after that if you decide to stay for being a YouTube follower. Click the link in the description of this video and let's get started. So there's a really good opportunity when you're training at home with no one else around you that you can afford to go through that learning process of learning a new complex movement pattern without the pressure of feeling like a failure when you're training with your friends or at the gym, which is very real for a lot of people. A lot of people don't like that feeling of stepping into a gym or a group workout environment where they're the beginner. It's a very confronting experience for a lot. So when you're at home and you're alone, you can really, just go for it and do it. And this is something that we really embrace in our at-home workouts program. We start with 3 phases of programming that's designed to really teach the fundamentals of movement, of strength, flexibility and fitness, and just get people to learn how to move, learn how to express their strength and their flexibility, safely and effectively, building on each phase. Each phase builds on the last one. And then when we get to phase 4, we introduce something very, very different, animal flow movement patterns. And animal flow movement patterns are they're complex movement patterns. They require a lot of thinking. You really have to think about what you're doing. You've got to learn how to control your body, but they are really, really fun. And there's something that if done properly and used the right way to complement your training, you will go through a massive level up in your ability to express movement, your ability to do any kind of exercise really, because you understand levels of coordination and levels of complex movement that you'd never really be challenged in before. So this is something to embrace about at-home training. Obviously if you can't get to a gym for whatever reason, often people just see the roadblock, that's blocking them from getting to where they want to go. Obviously, they can't use the equipment they want to use. They don't have access to the gym that they're used to using. But there's this whole other element to training which we can embrace and really level up through these at-home workout opportunities. And that's what we do in our at-home workout programs. Now make sure you watch all the videos in this series. This is video 9 out of a 10 video series where we talk about some of the real breakthroughs that you can have in training at home with no equipment. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.